Hey guys, welcome back to Carla in California. Today I'm going to be sharing this delicious German stir-fry recipe that my friend Sabina gave to me. Sabina is one of my good friends and she is from Germany and she is one of the best cooks that I know. For this recipe you get a marinade, a German stir-fry marinade that you can get at Aldi, and you mix it with some olive oil and I think a teaspoon or two of water. The directions are on the package. And then you cut up some fresh garlic and mince it and add that to the salad dressing. Set this aside while you cut up some chicken and cut it into little cubes, and then you add this chicken to your marinade and let this marinate all day in the refrigerator. Next, you will cook your rice. You can have white rice, jasmine rice, any kind of rice, and cook that and set that aside. Okay, next you're going to get a frying pan. Just get your frying pan and put a little bit of oil in there and chop up some bell pepper and some onions. Sabina uses the red and the yellow and the orange, but not the green. She says the green changes the flavor, so just use the red, yellow, and orange bell peppers and cut up your onions and saute that in the pan. And then you're going to add your marinated chicken into that, and then your rice, and add your peas and carrots and corn to give it a lot of color. And then you mix all those ingredients up and you put a little soy sauce in it, and it's that easy. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.